All Sea Boats was established in 2021, located in Qingdao, the capital of sailing. It is a large modern enterprise integrating R&D, sales, and service. The manufacturer owns 3 workshops. The process from product development, raw material procurement, cutting, bending, welding, painting, assembly, and shipping can be done independently. The core team members have nearly 20 years of experience in the production and R&D of aluminum alloy fishing boats, and currently have 8 utility model patents, 2 appearance patents, 2 software copyrights. 13 products have obtained European CE certification. And the products are exported to all over the world, becoming one of famous Chinese fishing boat brands in the global market. Our products are exported to all over the world and have become one of famous brands in the global market. Our ranges include aluminum leisure fishing boats, workings boats, passenger boats. The Easy Craft and Pro Fisher series are highly praised by the fishing lovers from Canada, USA, Australia, Norway, New Zealand, European, etc. The working boats like landing craft, patrol boats, firefighting boats, contributing to the development of Pacific Island countries and Southeast Asia. Build with pride, drive with joy, enjoy with heart. We always believe that products made with heart and soul can be perceived by users. We are also committed to making the world fall in love with Made in China.